it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to be doing a video that I have actually never done before, but it came highly requested. Gray Beans is here to help me with this video. We're going to be talking all about my picks for the upcoming VIB sale from Sephora or at Sephora. I polled you guys on the community page or the community tab on my main page here on YouTube, and y'all said you wanted to know my picks. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so we're going to be talking all about the upcoming VIB sale and at Sephora. Again, there, just so you know, I'm sure everybody knows, there are 3 tiers. Rouge, which is the highest, you get 20% off VIB. So the second tier is VIB, and that's 15% off. And the last tier is just Insider, Beauty Insider, and you get 10% off. I will put the dates of the whole area or whole time period that this runs, and it starts on April 26th. Now also I want to kind of put a disclaimer out there. This is not to encourage anyone to purchase anything that they don't want to purchase. I know a lot of you guys do save up this time though to really stock up on things that you already love, try new things, because if you are Rouge or VIB, 20% off at Sephora or 15% off is pretty good. I mean, so a lot of the products there are pretty pricey. So a lot of these are going to be something that you already know because I use a lot of these up on my channel all the time. Let's start with skincare, and we're just going to do my top picks, okay? And I'm going to just do very top level things, okay? First of all, also to let you know, I am not with all of my beauty stuff because I am on vacation and we're in the middle of a move, so I'll put up pictures of things I do not have on me. First is going to be for me. Now, this is something that I've talked about a lot, is the TATCHA Essence. This is the time where you can stock up and get a great discount on the TATCHA Essence. It's fantastic for all skin types. It is my favorite essence in the whole entire world. And it is $99, so 20% off of that would be a really nice savings. Also, any of the BIOSSANCE products, their Omega Moisturizer, their phytoretinol oil, vitamin C oil, squalene oil, their eye serum, their peptide eye serum is out of this world. Fantastic for dry under eyes, for kind of having texture on the eye area because it can go 360. It is a stellar product that I am missing dearly, for sure. Also, too, if you are a Drunk Elephant fan, this is the time to stock up on their vitamin C, their Flambeau's Night Glycolic Serum. This is the time to stock up on those. I've actually been using the Protini Moisturizer because it's in the tiny little one while I'm traveling. I've enjoyed it. It's not super perfect for my skin because I am more on the dry side, but it's been really nice. I've been enjoying that. And also, too, their whole line is really beautiful. This is the time I would stock up if you want to try anything from them. Also, too, FARMACY. This is the time to stock up on their Green Clean, which is a beautiful, bless you, my baby. This is a beautiful cleansing balm, okay? That is a gorgeous cleansing balm. Their Honey Mask is beautiful. Their Dream Screen, which is their SPF. This is fantastic from that brand as well. Those are what I would get from that brand. Now from TATCHA, obviously, like I said, the Essence, but I do want to pull your attention to the new Dewy Skin Moisturizer. It's beautiful. If you have dry skin, it'll really give you that luminous glow that you're looking for. It's really beautiful. HERBIVORE. If you are looking for a CBD oil or any kind of oils to add to your routine, they have some of the most high-grade quality oils that you can use. It is a beautiful product line, quite pricey, but with a discount it might be a great time to try it, for sure. Now, Algenist will go to their sleeping mask. The collagen sleeping mask, the collagen lip serum, and the collagen serum. They are out of this world expensive, but again, this is the time to get those outrageous price points at a discount. QVC actually just is highlighting those 2 products as well, so you might want to go check out that website and see if it's a better deal than the 20% off. The Algenist sleeping mask is one of my favorite, if not top favorite masks that I have ever owned. And their lip serum is to die for. Okay, really, really, really fantastic. The Grande Lash MD, which is my lash growth serum that I use religiously. I have my mom using it. I have everybody using it. It is well worth getting it because it's $65, so this is the time to stock up on it for sure. All right, so, and then the last thing I'll mention is, since the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads are something that I have recommended for a long time, if you use them, love them, and they work for you, this is the time to stock up on Dr. Dennis Gross. He has his light mask, would be a good time to use your discount, as well as the peel pads, as well as the retinol and ferulic eye serum. Stunning, amazing products. You should definitely stock up if you are using them and truly, truly like them. I'm going to also put in the description box another CBD oil that I use from a company that I can't remember right now because it's packed up, but it's Bass, something Bass, but I'll put it in the description box. It's super expensive. Now it's time to get that discount on that product. So that's really for skincare what I would recommend spending the money on and investing in. Reason being is because obviously I am kind of more into Lemieux and Osmosis for your treatment products, but you can't go wrong with the skincare that we have talked about here today. Now, going into cosmetics, if you love Hourglass, anything that Hourglass makes, this is my favorite under eye setting powder. This is in Diffuse Light. I use Ethereal Light. You know, I live and breathe for all of their powder products, their bronzers, their blushes. They just came out with lip glosses that I can't wait to stock up on the VIB sale. And anything Hourglass, you need to run, you need to gather it, and you need to like hoard it. I also would get the Marc Jacobs concealer. It's kind of expensive concealer, but it is my holy grail. I have not used anything else for the past, I don't know, 2-3 weeks since I got this. I love this. Love, love, love it. And I am in color Fair 16. Also, Charlotte Tilbury. This is my favorite. If you've never found a bronzer or a highlighter that will work for you, these are her shade and light palettes. This is their, I'm sorry, this is her Film Star Bronze and Glow palettes. It's a face sculpting palette. This is the fair to medium. I have been wearing this religiously. It's actually what's on my eyes as well. This is a great palette for more mature skin because it's not too overly glowy, it's not too overly matte, it's not too overly red, it's not too overly gray. It's perfect combination in bronzer, and then the highlighter is just very, very wearable. Now, they do have a deeper one as well for my deeper skinned girls. They have a deeper, I think it's called medium deep, and it's a beautiful combination between a bronzer and a beautiful highlighter. So this is the time to stock up on foundations you know that work for you. If you want some suggestions, I will put my Foundation Friday playlist underneath so you can check out. A lot of the foundations are in Sephora. I actually even have the new Hourglass foundation as well as the new Dior foundation in there to see if that's something that you might be interested in. So watch that playlist and see if some of those might interest you for the sale. Now, if we're going to be talking a little bit more about clean beauty, if you have never tried Bite Beauty, okay? Bite Beauty makes some of my favorite lip masks, lip exfoliators, as well as cream, eyeshadow, blush products, as well as lipstick. So they look like this. They just came out with some new stuff. This is the time to try Bite if you've never tried it. This is just a lipstick by them. This is one I actually made in their formulation studios, but I have so many from them. I've done a ton of videos with their products, and I really, really wholeheartedly appreciate their integrity in their cream products. They have something called a multi-stick. A multi-stick is, in my favorite, is cashew, and it can go on your eyes, your lips, and your cheeks. It's a perfect travel accessory. It's an all-in-one product. It's great for mature skin, and that is my favorite cream product that I did travel with into the hotel. Nude sticks are also fantastic, guys. I brought this one with me. This is in Belle, and this is an intense matte lip and cheek pencil. Beautiful. So this goes on lip and cheek, and it can be, it's a cream product. They also make them for eye and cheek. Great brand, cruelty-free, paraben-free, pretty clean product, and this is what I would recommend for sure. And then my last two ones I will say is it's time to stock up if you haven't tried the Benefit eyebrows. I am in the new campaign. I am number 2.5, and it is, I love their pencils. Their eyebrow pencils are my favorite, and I'll link them below as well. These guys, this is my go-to lip product right now. This is the YSL lip stain, super expensive, number 7. It is beautiful matte lip stain, does not feel crunchy or dry. And then I have been living for the Fenty new gloss bomb in Fussy. I love this, and I didn't think I really would until I tried it for that video for Sephora inside JCPenney, and I love this. So these are what I've been wearing religiously. Fantastic products. It's your time to stock up on sheet masks. So buy a plethora of sheet masks because they're only going to be very few little dollars at this time. And I'm trying to think what else they have there now. I don't know, I just have a hard time kind of like recommending a ton of stuff, even though that was a lot of stuff, because it's just like, it kind of to me is, so I mean, to me it's like I'm urging you to overconsume. Like it's super, it's like a lot of consumption, to be honest with you. So that's why I'm like, those are the things that I know absolutely work. They have been tried and tested and time tested. So anything else that I would recommend, you know, is rather new to me. And I just don't know if I would recommend spending the money on it right now. I don't want to urge you guys to buy things that you just don't need. Do you know what I mean? Oh, this is actually a good time to stock up on hair tools from Bionic. BioIonic is the brand, and they're pretty pricey stuff, so if you need new hair tools, this is also a good time as well. Also to stock up on R&Co shampoo and conditioner. That's my favorite brand because it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, all of that good stuff. Nobody thinks about stocking up on hair stuff at this time too. It's would be beneficial for sure. Okay. Last one as I'm looking through here is the Dermaflash. If you guys have not tried Dermaflash, it's time to try it, and you can get a 20% off, which I think is more than QVC has, and get that from them. So that's really it. I don't want to, you know, go through the whole gamut because I'm sure you guys don't need a ton of new products. This is the time to really be nitpicky about what you want to really invest in because they can add up even with the 20 or 15% discount. You also might want to write down the brands that we talked about and keep them in a little journal and wait till they actually go on sale on Instagram or you know, Ulta or even QVC. And that's the time to kind of maybe see if there's a better deal out there for sure. So I hope that this helps you. If you want me to continue doing more videos like this where I tell you kind of my recommendations, let me know. I always have a great time doing this, and I will see you all on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Mwah. Bye, loves.